Hi, I'm Danny Clark with Collectors Firearms here at our Dallas location. I have Joel with me. He is our shotgun and sporting gun expert, and we just got in this wonderful pair of Purdey shotguns. Joel, what can you tell us about it?
Well, this is an absolutely excellent example of two English shotguns. It's a matched pair, both with straight English stock and a splinter forend. As you can see, it's a complete set with the snap caps, all the tools, and an absolutely gorgeous oak and leather case. Originally built in 1926, and it is just an absolutely fine example of one of the many guns that we have here at Collectors Firearms.
Tell us about Purdey.
Purdey is one of the three major manufacturers in Great Britain. Basically, when it comes to British shotguns, there are three basic top tier companies, and Purdey being one of those, Holland & Holland being another one, Boss being another.
So Purdey is one of the premier
gun manufacturers in Great Britain. As you can see here in the corner, they are one of the original royal warrants, and what a royal warrant means is that Purdey is one of the few manufacturers that can make guns for the King and Queen of England. So basically these little symbols up here mean that Purdey makes guns for the King of England, and his royal warrant is on all these guns. What a royal warrant means is they do not pass these things out. You have to meet very, very strict and stringent regulations to get a royal warrant. And these guns are made in the tradition of the way Edwardian game guns have been made for the past 100 years.
Well, they're certainly beautiful.
Absolutely, probably some of the finest examples this side of the pond that you can see of guns like this.
So anybody who owned one of these, you either had to be
you were an aristocrat for all intents and purposes. The reason why these guns come in twos is because you would fire one set at driven game, grouse generally, or pheasants, and you would fire both barrels, and you would hand this to another gentleman, and he would load this gun for you, and he would hand you this other one for you to continue shooting. So you can see that this was a whole setup where you would shoot, he would hand. So it was kind of a team sport at one point. And that's the reason why these guns are made exactly the same. That one matches this one exactly, so the shooter never changes any of the way he sets up on a gun.
And these are self-openers.
They're self-openers, they're ejectors, yes sir. And like I said, they're just absolutely the traditional straight English stock splinter forend guns in 12 gauges.
And you can buy these brand new at Purdey.
About $120,000-ish starting, just to probably walk in the door.
Right. Well, these are gorgeous guns. And the engraving on here, this is
their traditional 3-bouquet Purdey engraving.
Rose and scroll.
Rose and scroll. With this example, you've got all the tools, everything in it, still has the sticker, still shows the royal warrants. All the paperwork comes with this gun. Again, an excellent example on this side of the pond of what these guns can do.
And this is the paperwork of the original records from Purdey.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for telling us about it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to us in the future. If you like these guns, please visit us at collectorsfirearms.com.